Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about these examples, right? Okay. So in the last video I talked about Laplace transformation of e to the at times ft, right? This is also called as a shifting or first shifting theorem. So it is fs minus a, right? Here Laplace transformation of ft is equals to fs, right? Okay, this is the theorem I'm going to use here mainly, right? So let's take the first example, Laplace transformation of e to the at, right? E to the at. I'm going to write this as Laplace transformation of e to the at times 1. So this is so here I have to find Laplace transformation of 1 first, right? It is 1 over s, right? So Laplace transformation of 1 is 1 over s, so I have to shift it by minus a time, right? So it is 1 over s minus a, right? Because I am going to shift s by s minus a. Okay, I will talk about that later. Let's take this as e to the minus at. Okay. No, I'm going to take this as minus at. Otherwise it will take complicated. Okay. So this is the answer. 1 over s minus a. I have proved this in the integral format also, right? So I also get this answer there. So let's take the next example. It is Laplace transformation of e to the minus at sin t. This is I know Laplace transformation of sin t, right? It is 1 over t square plus 1 square, otherwise it is 1. Okay. So I have to shift so it is s, right? S square plus 1. So I have to shift this by minus a, right? So Laplace transformation of this is 1 over s minus a, right? Square plus 1. It is 1 over s plus a square plus 1. This is the answer for that term. Let's take the third example, Laplace transformation of e to the at cos bt. Laplace transformation of e to the at cos bt. This is okay. So I have to find Laplace transformation of cos bt. Right? Laplace transformation of cos bt equals to s over s square plus b square, right? Okay, so I have to shift this by a, right? 1 over s minus a square plus b square. Here it is s, so s have to be shifted by a, s minus a over s minus a square plus b square. This is the answer. So basically I am doing is s is shifting by s minus a, right? The last example, right? T to the cube, Laplace transformation of t to the cube. So multiplied by e to the 40. So this is so I have to find so let's write this as in our format, e to the 40 times t to the cube, right? So I have to find what is the Laplace transformation of t cube. It is a Laplace transformation of Tn is equals to n factorial over s to the n plus 1. So it is 3 factorial over s to the 3 plus 1, it is 4, right? So 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, it is 6 over s4. So I have to shift by 8, right? Here a is 4, so it is s minus 4, right? So 6 over s minus 4 to the 4th power. So this is the answer. So I have discussed 4 questions here. So I hope you guys understood the first shifting theorem. So let's meet in another property. Thank you for watching.